What's up, everybody? Right now we're at Willow Springs International Raceway, and I'm with the YouTube channel Car Wow. They got like a whole bunch of subscribers, I think over 1 million, something like that. They invited me out here today. We're going to be doing a review with the car, so I'm going to be showing you behind the scenes all day long. Right now they're shooting stuff with some Vipers. They got a Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3, Gen 4, and Gen 5 Viper here, so that's pretty cool. I love Vipers, they're awesome. I got my C8 Z06 behind me. We're going to do a review. What we're exactly doing, not fully sure yet, but we'll find out. I'll give you all the behind the scenes stuff of all the stuff we're doing today. So it should be fun, should be cool and interesting. And it's awesome to be able to have my car reviewed by such a big channel again. So yeah, stay tuned. Got a bunch of beautiful Vipers here. You got Gen 4, Gen 3, Gen 2, and Gen 1. And then you have that amazing Gen 5 over there. We're looking at this thing. This guy tracks this one. He's a time attack guy. Tracks it in NASA. Does all this time attack stuff around the state and maybe even more. But it's an ACR. Very, very quick car. Very quick driver. You got the Gen 3 right here. Looking beautiful. And you got the Gen 2. One of my favorite Vipers right there. This thing is just gorgeous. Super, super cool. Love the wheels on it. Everybody has Toyo tires on theirs. It's cool. Then you got the Gen 1, what started it all with the Viper. This thing is crispy.
Z06, and it's a little bit like a Porsche 911 GT3 because it's the more track-focused, hardcore version of the C8 Corvette. In fact, this one is more like the GT3 Touring because it hasn't got the big wing of the Z07 package. I tell you everything you need to know about it. The upgrades over the standard C8 Corvette. I'm going to talk you around the exterior, the interior. I'm going to take it for a drive, and of course, I'm going to launch it to see how quick it is from 0 to 60 miles an hour because I'm Matt Watson, and you're watching Car Wow. Wait a minute, it's a slightly smaller engine than the 6.2 in a standard car. However, it produces more power. So the standard C8 has 495 horsepower. This Z06 has 670 horsepower. It's a massive increase. Also, unlike the standard car, which has a cross-plane crank like most other US V8s, apparently the Corvette Z06 should do 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. I'm not so sure though, so I'm going to test it with my specialist timing gear. Here we go. Oh, slow getaway. It's like it's managing the power. Not even close. You know how to get the best launch out of it on this surface, which isn't ideal to be fair, is it? What I do at least is beat the time that I got.
So now I'm running with
come on with the heat sink nonsense. Okay, right, come on. That looked well faster than when I did it. Now, unlike the standard C8, the Z06 can be upgraded with carbon ceramics, which this car has. And then you have 400mm discs at the front and 390mm at the rear.
The camera car, that's the camera right there being used. Basically using some sticky tack. They got a drone connected right there, and then they use that for the camera car.
United States, dealers can charge over the manufacturer's recommended retail price, which they can't do in the United Kingdom. So if you buy one of these new, you'll probably have to pay a premium. Z06. Should you avoid it? Should you consider it? Should you shortlist it? Or should you just go right ahead and buy it?
And there you have it. We just got done shooting the video with Car Wow. But yeah, it was a good time. Got to see some behind the scenes stuff. Kind of got to show you all the behind the scenes. We did a little bit of a 0 to 60 test, and he was able to get me on there. He had a few more tries than I got to try, but it's all good. We were close to, I was like a 10th off of them or whatever. But still all good. Had a good time, and it's always good to work with different YouTube channels, you know, shows, stuff like that. You know, folks with a lot of subscribers. You know, it's always good to collaborate because it can always help, you know, what I got going on. So anyways, all in all, fun time, good time, and we're done for the day. So you got to see the behind the scenes a Car Wow video being shot. So thanks everybody for tuning in, and hopefully you tune in for more videos.